Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use One4All gift card on Amazon. So let's get started. For that, first of all, let's go ahead and open any browser in your PC, and then in the search bar simply search for amazon.com. Once you search for it, you want to go ahead and log into your account. Once logged in, simply scroll through and then add your desired items to your cart. I already have some in my cart, so let's go ahead and tap on cart right over here. So once you're here, you want to go ahead and select the product you would like to check out. Once done, go ahead and tap on proceed to checkout right over here. And just like so, inside here, you'll need to go to the payment method section. Click on add a credit or debit card. Your One4All gift card will act just like your debit card here. So enter your card number, the name on the card, and the expiration date. Also enter the CVV code, that's the 3-digit code on the back of the card. So after filling out the information, simply click on add your card and you will be able to use this payment method to complete your purchase. And that is simply how you can use One4All gift card on Amazon. I hope this video helped you guys. If it did, make sure to like and sub, and I'll see you in the next video.